And Finn got to poop. Pooping underway.
Time to ride with the sunrise.
So we're sailing between islands right now. Ended up spending the night on the bank last night, and Cole got some numbers from some friends. So we're gonna go see if we can find it, check it out, and hopefully secure some fish for dinner. So fine. So we just pulled up to this spot, and there is life everywhere. There's bait fish running, there's barracudas, there's jacks, things hitting the surface. I mean, we've been going over the bank for hours and haven't seen a single fish, and this place is insane. There's about 100 barracuda under the boat right now.
That's a big one. That's a jumbo. That is a monster.
Showed up within minutes, and I just loaded up, dove down, did some grunting, and he literally came right into my face. So got a good shot on him.
That's epic.
Cole, there's quite a few sharks here, so Cole went ahead and put in a backup shot just to be safe. And
yeah, there's current. We're here by ourselves.
And it was epic. Awesome, dude.
Flashers make it back. Is it back there?
I think I just saw him.
Classic Get a fish and forget the flasher. Probably 8D on it. It's not amused. That's it. No fish?
Got the fish and the flasher.
Out here in the middle of nowhere. Best spots where you can't see land.
Yeah. No landmarks. We'll never know where we were.
Unless you pay for exclusive content.
Never doing it naked.
Steph, there's a massive hogfish, like a jumbo. I don't know, do I do it? Do I do it? No?
Right here! Coming towards you!
Frickin' doormat.
Yeah! Congrats, babe!
Thanks. Oh man, this is gonna be jelly. He didn't look that big until I got him texting me. It's like twinning.
So awesome. Some studs. That was so much fun.
Yeah, pretty crazy. Whole school. Tons of fish. Hogfish everywhere. Massive hogfish. Big snappers. Little black groupers.
Just tons of life everywhere. Look, there's birds in the water now. And all of a sudden I look over to my left and I just see the shimmering, shiny that was full of APs. They came swimming in. I got the first one. We retrieved the flasher, then went back out and Cole got his chance. The whole school came around both of us, so really close. Really cool fish.
You got a big one. Still underway. Got about 50 miles to go. There's our APs. Make sure we're making the most out of them. We got our AP ribs. It's about time to flip them. Ribs are finished. It's only a little bit. This is like a quarter of the ribs we have, and yeah, the fin seems to be interested. Yeah, the meat just falls off.
Yummy! Don't waste AP ribs.
Yeah.
They are fire.
That's the rib right there.
So cool. Some of the best meat for sure.
That tasty, buddy. Nice meal to cook underway. Get fish underway.
And then the day recap.
Yes.
We had a beautiful sail and stocking up. Can't say that.
All right. Take two.
What an epic day. We just had an amazing sail to our next island, and the sun is setting right as we're about to set anchor, and we just feel very fortunate. We have a fridge full of fish, and hoping we can make some friends to give some to as well.
Yeah, we're excited. We're excited. Happy to get to work.